Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this from. My good name is Carol. Welcome yet to another video. So today, guys, we are visiting Maasai Mara, and I hope you'll get to enjoy this video until the end of it. So let's get into it. So right before me are the wild beast, and this video was taken a long time ago when they were migrating from Serengeti to Maasai Mara. So wild beast migration, normally it occurs every year between late July to the end of September, although this timing can vary somehow due to prevailing rainfall pattern. And during this time, over 15 million wild beasts, even zebras and antelopes, migrate from Serengeti into Maasai Mara, mostly in search of food and water, and also as part of their mating and birth cycle. So this is one of the most spectacular and thrilling display moment of wildlife behavior. Their journey is mostly fraught with danger as they cross the crocodile-infested Mara and Talek rivers along the way, whereby many cannot escape the giant Nile crocodiles lying in wait for their prey. So wild beast migration is selected as 7 natural wonders of the world. Next, guys, we have a look at the antelopes. So antelopes is a term that is used to refer to many species of even-toed ruminant that are indigenous and they are mostly found in Africa. A group of antelopes is actually called a herd, and their horns grow continuously. Interesting, right? So many species of antelopes have been imported to other parts of the world, especially the United States, and they live in a wide range of inhabitants. Mostly they live in Africa, and many species are more secluded, mostly in forests, deserts, and extreme cold areas, and even rocky areas. Antelopes are actually known to be fed by other animals, and mostly they're in danger of being eaten by other animals. Their numbers are actually growing time by time as they give birth most of the time. Yeah, so you can take a look at such an antelope that are just given birth, and the small animal is trying to move around, trying to follow the mother. Next, guys, we have the cheetah. Cheetah is a large cat that is native to Africa and also central Iran. It is termed as the fastest land animal that is estimated to be capable of running at 80 to 128 kilometers per hour. Its head is actually small and rounded, and it has a deep chest, and also it has a long thin legs and also long tails. Cheetahs mostly live in groups. We call them social groups. That is, one group is mainly for female and their cubs. The other group is for male coalitions, and the other group is actually for solitary male. Cheetahs are mostly active during the day, and mostly it feeds on small to medium-sized prey, mostly that weigh under 40 kgs. Next, guys, we have the giraffe. The giraffe is termed as the largest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant on earth. Oh wow, the lions. Although there are many fascinating animals to be found in Maasai Mara, sighting the lion is often the highlight of safari game drive. There are about 800 to 900 lions and lionesses currently in the park. The lion is the largest cat, and they're mostly found in Africa and India. They're muscular and broad. They have broad-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears, and hairy tuft at the end of the tail. Adult male lion are larger than female lion. A group of female lions usually hunt together, although some lions scavenge when opportunities occur and have been known to hunt human beings. Lions typically do not actively seek out and prey on human beings. Lions inhabit grassland, savanna, and shrublands. Lions are known to be actively mostly at night. They spend much of their time resting. They're actively for about 20 hours per day in resting, right? Lions spend an average of 2 hours a day walking and 50 minutes eating. The lion is the most social of all wild-field species. They live in groups of related individuals with their offsprings. Such groups are called pride. Lions are known to be the king of the jungle. Now guys, I'll tell you a little bit facts about the Maasai National Game Reserve. So this is the largest game reserve that is found in Kenya, and it's widely considered to be the African's greatest wildlife reserve. It is known all over the world for the wide range of wild animals such as the Big Five. Do you know the Big Five? Alright. We have the lion, leopard, we have the African elephant, we have the buffaloes, and the black rhinos. We also have other popular species such as zebras, giraffe that we've tackled, hyena, we have cheetah, also have the wildebeest, and the gazelles, and other animals. So the term Mara or Maasai Mara is named in honor of the Maasai people, who are the inhabitants of the area. Do you know the meaning of the term Mara? Mara means spotted, according to the local language of the Ma people. It is due to the many trees which are a dot to the landscape. Do you know how Maasai Mara is managed? Okay, so the Maasai Mara National Game Reserve is managed by the local government of Narok and the local Ma community. They come in hand to contain poaching and other illegal activities that normally occur in this area. So the Ma people are interestingly living with the animals, and they really do well with them. Interestingly, you can find a large herd of animals grazing, and there is a person taking care of those animals, and they're just right at the center of the animals game reserve. And yes, they know how to interact with the animals, and they can tell you very well when there is danger and when there is not. Interesting. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching up to this point. I'm looking forward to explore a large wide of Mara because I love exploring. So if I get another chance, I get to post this and more other videos. So guys, help me to subscribe, and don't forget to like and leave a comment on what you feel about the video. Thank you, and have an interesting day, week, year of your life. Have a good day. Bye bye.